Disney World.
That's my shit?
Yeah.
Nah, I might throw some in. Nah, on some real shit though. So, tell me about the consultation company, man. What do you gotta do, man?
Well, basically, I got the experience, man, for being in the industry. Of course, I got the plugs and the connections. So what I do is, I go in, an artist, a label, whoever hiring, I go in, see what they done, what they haven't done, what need to do. And I give them a blueprint, and we work the blueprint, get them to the finish line. I mean, again, the whole thing about it is, for me, I only really concerned with two things. One, they must be serious. The second thing, they gotta have a budget right. They gotta understand this is a pay-for-play business.
Yes, it
is.
is.
It ain't the way I set it up. It's the way that it's been set up. You pay long enough until you get paid. If you can't pay, then you're in the wrong business.
You ain't lying. Let me ask you this question. How many times have you had people say they got you, but then cancel on you the last minute? Somebody got you.
Yeah, I mean that's gonna happen regardless.
No. But no. See, it happens, but it's not supposed to because they're gonna write you off completely. You know what I mean? Artists have hit me up. See, all y'all that was trying to be on my shows because I pay to get on my shows, and I got those people that want to come to the meetings and sit down with me. And then for some reason they decide to cancel. You must think that I'm still gonna fuck with you after. Excuse my language. I know it's kids in here. You know what I'm saying? I'm not. God damn, my Twitter on fire right now. That influence is blowing up my damn Twitter. He killing my Twitter right now. I don't think artists understand, especially DMV artists. Let's keep it real. We worldwide, but DMV artists don't understand paperwork. Y'all just think just because you got a hot record and that it got spun on PGC one time, you made it.
But see, it's more than that too, right? The whole thing about like what you just said, paperwork, which really goes into knowing the business. A lot of these artists, they think that they can read a book and they're gonna get the understanding of the business. You're gonna get a formula, you're gonna get a quick foundation.
Yep.
But you're not gonna get the business, and if you don't know the business, then you're not gonna make the proper moves. The other reason I believe is that it's been a lot of bullshitters coming out in this industry, especially from this area. They talk that shit, but they don't put no walk in. And so what happens is that a lot of the artists that have been shitted on now, they don't believe no more. It's like, I'm just going to hit the booth and see what I can do from there. But they don't believe that they can actually make it. You know what I'm saying? And that's because, it's not a lot of people like me and you who have those direct connections and those direct plugs that can make something happen.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's why I tell all my clients, like, look, man, I'm not into the talk shit. It's a walk situation. We do a quick contract. My shit is a page and a half to tell you what you going to do and what I'm going to do. And we're going to keep it moving from there.
And then the other problem with these artists is that, like I said, when they get played on FM radio one time or they getting spun in a nightclub, they think they made it.
Right.
But not nobody from Fredericksburg, Virginia, all the way to Frederick, Maryland know who you are, but you swear up and down you made it.
And see, that go to not understanding the difference between rotation, BDS shit, and just somebody plays your record.
You got spike.
Exactly.
You know
what I mean? So you're not, your shit ain't broke. You know what I'm saying? You don't break a record, till you do what we did with the Scoot Over shit. You know what I'm saying? You don't break a record just because you got played on the radio one time and they playing you in the local club. You got to have a national campaign.
That's right.
In order to break your shit nationally. That's when your record is broke.
That's right.
If you ain't doing that, you ain't breaking your record, man. You just on some local shit.
These Bammers out here, boy. DMV artists, man, please, y'all need to fix y'all face because y'all are not doing it.